What up, my peeps? Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know why I'm pointing. That's rude. I've always been told it's rude. We're DIYing today, my friends. Oh yeah, DIYing. So I made a video about Vapelf. It's a new concentrate company out of China, rebranded. So is by healthcabin.net. My sponsors. I do have some more coming. Ooh, yeah, I got to try to keep that out of the video. Anywho, I made a few recipes. The only one ready right now is Creamy Elf, and I want to get it out because they're having a really bad to the bone Christmas sale going on right now at Health Cabin, which I will tag down at in the comments, link it if you will. I'll also tell a little bit about the sale at the end of the video, right? Why not? The star of the show today is Creamy Vanilla. Let me focus this. Creamy Vanilla by Vapelf, and it's a very tasty creamy vanilla. I've never had holy vanilla. I want to get it. I'd like to compare it because people just love it. So this recipe came out just fabulous. Matter of fact, let me vape it. Yeah, that's good. I gotta tell you, that is tasty. It's got a nice throat hit too. It's not harsh. It's not gonna rape your throat, but it does have a nice throat hit, and that's something I personally appreciate. Is a nice throat hit. Let's go ahead and get to the ingredients of this recipe, which I'll leave a link also to the recipe so that you know what percentages to use. But, you know, creamy vanilla, the star of the show. And by Vapelf. There's 7 ingredients in this, right? And 6 of them are 6 different companies. So we've got Inaura's biscuit, Inaura's shisha vanilla, Flavora's milk and honey, Flavor Apprentice vanilla bean ice cream. Now there are a lot of people have moved to Liquid Barn vanilla bean ice cream. I've not tried it. I mean, if I tried everything that came out, I'd have a million flavors. As it is, I have 250, and I had like 300, and I just I regularly get rid of flavors I don't use. As a matter of fact, I should do a flavor giveaway. Psst, that's a great idea, my brothers and my sisters. Finally, Capella's Vanilla Custard V1, which works in this recipe quite well. And, man, I gotta tell you, it's nice and creamy. It's just a vanilla cream up front. Wonderful mouthfeel. Just a heavenly taste if you like vanilla. It's a great recipe. The vanilla, now, the biscuit. The biscuit really rounds it out and gives you that. Normally, it would give you a wafer type flavor, but I didn't put enough in it to really make it up front. Just enough to give you that dessert feel. But it's a great recipe. I think y'all like it a lot. Like I said, it's yeah. I mean, what else can I say about it? It's delicious. I do have a couple more recipes coming out with. Uh, yeah, sorry about the lighting. Man, I've got to work on the lighting. I really dislike my glasses glaring, so it's somewhat dark. Let's see, we got caramel apple, which now when I did this caramel apple, it was caramel up front and barely taste the apple. In a recipe so far, you got that apple coming out. So, hey, that's really when you know what a flavor is going to do in a recipe. Single flavor testing is, I know, Darth Vapor. He's a mixing god. He probably will not like me saying that. He doesn't do single flavor testing. And he's brilliant, man. He's brilliant. Anywho, yeah, I'm getting off topic. To me, I think single flavor testing is important to me, but I'm not as brilliant as he is either. Anywho, and we also got one with the Malaysia strawberry, and I basically just used it to add some juiciness and sweetness with a bit of spice in an earthy recipe that I'm hoping is going to come out wonderful. Anywho, hold on a second, please. Just hold. Okay. Now if I'm reading this right, okay, in one spot it says a penny per flavor, and in another spot it says 10 cents. So I'm gonna assume it's 10 cents per bottle, which, I mean, come on, why wouldn't you try it for that? Excuse me. Now, there are some rules. Okay, now this is gonna go all the way to the 26th of December, okay? Each week they're gonna, all right, let me start off. You can get one flavor. You can get 5 different flavors, what they choose. So you can't get whatever you want. Only what they have listed. At 10 mil for 10 cents. You can only get one flavor for 10 cents. Like you can't get, let's say you want RY4 and you want 4 of them. Well, you can't do that for the 10 cents. You can get one RY4 for 10 cents. And they've got Marl, Camel, Dunhill Deluxe Tobacco, and 3.5, which I'm not entirely sure what that is. And those are the 10 mils of flavors that you can get for 10 cents. Now they also have, right here it says a penny only for 10 mil flavors. All right, also you can get free 3 bottles of free 10 mil flavors for every 100 mil that you purchase. So, there you go. That's a pretty nice sale, man. So, yeah, head on over to healthcabin.net and check out some. Right now, they got the tobaccos going. I haven't yet tried them, but I do believe some are coming my way. They haven't arrived yet. Hopefully, I can get some reviews out before the 26th. Anywho, I will leave a description of the sale, a better description when I find out a little bit more in the description. Alright. This is Dan the Man. My brothers and sisters, let's sign out with a vape of creamy vanilla. Peace. I should have had this ready to stop. You want to try it again? You want to do the peace thing again? Because I love it. I feel like I'm so cool when I do that. It's the only time I feel cool, and I gotta feel cool every once in a while. Peace.